Fighter Motorsports. I'm going to try to give you a brief overview today of car alarms, features, options. We'll start with the basics. Not really an alarm, but keyless entry. So keyless entry is a remote that accesses the power door locks that's existing in your vehicle. So if your car doesn't have power door locks, you can also add the power door lock actuators. Tie it into a keyless entry system so you have remote access to your car. Next step up, remote start. Kind of a convenience feature. Most remote starts are also going to need optional accessories that is then programmed to the car so that it can remote start. Then you move up into car alarms and car alarm with remote start. Now they have what they call digital systems that's all in one box. So this is a remote start, this is an alarm remote start, this is the interface. They're all separate. They make this one that is the remote start and it also contains the interface in it. So you can get one of those all in one unit. A little simpler, one box instead of having a bunch of different boxes, especially if it's something you're going to try to do yourself. In all of these features, they make different kinds of remote controls. Anything from one-way remotes. They also make two-way remotes. One of the new things in the last couple of years is control from a cell phone. Direct Electronics has several. They call their system Smart Start. They make Bluetooth ones that'll just do Bluetooth. They make ones that works off a cell phone service, and then you put an application on your phone, and then you can lock, unlock, remote start your car through the app on your phone. The advantage of that is range. So you could be in Arizona and your car could be in New York. As long as they both had cell service, you could lock your car, you could unlock your car. Then there's lots of optional pieces you can add to any or all of those. Anything from proximity sensor, which is if the windows are down, somebody reaches in, can set the alarm off, as well as just do a warn away. Digital tilt sensors for if you're worried about, you have nice wheels on your car and you are worried about somebody jacking it up, taking the wheels. Glass break sensors. It has a microphone that's designed to pick up the frequency of the glass breaking. It picks it up, sets the alarm off. Backup battery. The alarm obviously is not going to function if the battery's dead. The backup battery takes over and supplies power to the alarm so it keeps functioning should the battery in the car go dead for some reason. So these are the kind of things you kind of want to be aware of when you're shopping for an alarm, keyless entry. Have a better idea of exactly what you want, so when you talk to somebody, it saves from having to go back and forth or them forgetting something when you go to do the installation, etc. So I hope that's helped out. Again, Rob with Street Fighter Motorsports. Thank you.